So welcome to the Jerk KeyWest. My name is Deon. We run a Caribbean food truck / restaurant here in Stock Island in the KeyWest area. And we're basically doing Caribbean food with like a fusion, with a twist, So like we got a lot of tacos on the menu. We got traditional jerk, chicken, pork, all that kind of stuff, Came here about 8 years ago, in 2013, and started working at hotels, restaurants here, till I gained my footing, kind of learned all of my craft, and then I fused that with my culture, and my food that we do. And I'm basically bringing it now to Key West so people can enjoy it and enjoy my passion as a chef and as a business person, but more a chef first. Yeah, so everything we do is just passion, Got a really amazing partner on board, Jose, he's amazing, and he's doing it just like a Jamaican would.
My name is Jose Guzman. Welcome to the Jerk Caribbean restaurant in Key West, Florida. I came down here after Irma a couple years ago. It was a great opportunity down here for restaurants, for people that want to thrive, people that want to just, survive. So, I came down here, moved down here, worked at a restaurant for a little while, and then realized that it just wasn't for me. Sometimes you just want to be able to make your own lane. So, I teamed up with this guy over here, Deon. It's gonna be great journeys, great memories, great food, love, passion. That's what it's all about.
So if you're looking for somewhere with an electric atmosphere, like with a real Caribbean flair, you can definitely come to the Jerk.